Motor Mechanics. We're on another one. I'm going to show you how to replace a condenser fan motor. Taking this stuff off is pretty straightforward. I'll let y'all figure that out. Here's the original right here. Diagnosing is a whole separate issue. So pretty much when I call up to the parts house, I used Granger. You want to give them the horsepower. It's 1/8, 208, 230 volt. We got 60 hertz, single phase, and RPMs 825. See the rotation, ROT. It's rotating counterclockwise if you're facing the shaft, which would be this way. Okay, and then we got the capacitor, which is 5. All right, so pretty much they didn't have the exact replacement, but it's okay because these motor here, which I got from Granger, is universal. You can actually wire it to where you can make it go counterclockwise or clockwise. See now, counterclockwise, it says orange to orange, yellow to yellow, which would be these two tabs. Orange to orange, yellow to yellow. It's already wired for counterclockwise. If you wanted to make it clockwise, you would do orange to yellow, yellow to orange. So you just pretty much unclip these and switch them around. Orange, yellow, yellow to orange. Okay, but right now we're gonna do counterclockwise. That's what we need. Okay. So now here we got our black. We're gonna go to line 2. Now purple is gonna go to line 1. That's 2 legs of power. So we got these right here. Okay, black, purple. It's gonna be our 2 lines of power right here. All right, and then we got a brown. It's gonna go to the 5 microfarad capacitor, which is this brown here. And then it says here brown and white stripe. Rotations counterclockwise. Lead and to reverse rotation. Interchange. Option 3, wire connection. Brown white stripe insulate. So we're not gonna use this. We could literally just like cut it off or whatever. So we're going to do that now. Get this set up. Now also too, with this shaft, you gotta cut it. So I'm gonna cut it probably right here just to give us a little extra. We'll put the fan on. You gotta hurry up because it actually looks like it's gonna start raining here pretty soon. So. Okay, so got that cut off. I'm going to fit the fan on top now. Okay, before you throw the fan on, if you notice these long stems, see these don't have them. See I broke it off. You want to grab your pair of channel locks, pliers, whatever, bend them. I mean, they're not hard, it's just I'm struggling because I got one hand on the stupid thing. See, like that. You're gonna break them off so your fan, you set it on, doesn't get caught up on these. Okay, we set the fan directly on, tightened our set screw. You want to make sure that is on one of the landing strips where it's flat. Okay, we got that done, and then we already got our black wire. Squeeze yourself a spade connector on there. We got another one for our purple wire. So we're gonna go ahead and mount it. Alright, so we got the fan motor on. It's working now. And you can feel the heat is blowing off. It should be blowing it right off the top, but and the heat is coming out. Usually if it's like that, it's because it's really dirty. You can see the condenser has a whole bunch of cottonwood, things like that. So we'll recommend to the customer to go ahead and let us do a clean on that. Now, at first the motor was not coming on, and the reason for that is it needed to be wired a certain way. So this one was a bit tricky. This black wire here actually needs to be hooked up on the common, which is the C on the capacitor, and the yellow wire, which is right there, is going to be jumped to the common. And see right here we got the purple, but the purple is going to go where the black wire is at on the contactor. So we're just going to swap that purple wire, put that on the contactor, and then put the black wire onto the common on the run capacitor. And then you're just going to have your solid brown wire hooked on the fan, and you're going to cut the brown and white and just insulate it. It's not going to be hooked on there. Factory doesn't show you this way, and right here the motor is actually spinning, but it's spinning slow. So make sure you get with us at Buddha Mobile Mechanics. I'm going to be posting a video on exactly how I wired this 4-wire universal Dayton motor to this dual run capacitor and made it work.